Hello, welcome to the second annual TICON African Conference to be held in Sarova, Whitesands Beach Resort from 25th to 27th September 2024 in the beautiful coastal city of Mombasa, Kenya. Tech professionals, policymakers, entrepreneurs, innovators, join us and let's build tech for Africa. This year, we'll be focusing on a common theme of advancing ICT solutions for sustainable development in Africa. Some of the key topics for discussion are how to strengthen ICT infrastructure and access across the continent, and how we can harness the power of big data and AI for sustainable development. Others are cybersecurity, data protection, and how all these components can help in developing IT solutions across the African continent. TICON Africa is a leading Pan-African ICT professional body with membership across various ICT associations in Africa. The continental body is dedicated to the promotion of ICT education, knowledge sharing, and collaboration among ICT professionals, businesses, and thought leaders across the African continent. This conference is not just about cybersecurity, AI, and the rest, but it's also an opportunity for you to network and have fun. And we can promise you for the 3 days that you'll be here, you're going to really have a lot of activities. There will be dinner by the Indian Ocean, golf tournaments, we'll have cultural gala, and we'll crown it with our awards night, where we'll honor the best IT professionals, the best IT business leaders, and also the best marketers. So look forward to seeing you, and let's have fun and learn in Mombasa, Kenya.